Do I need to be home during the presale cleaning service?
Not at all. You don't need to be home during your presale clean, and in fact, most of our clients prefer to let us work while they're out handling real estate appointments, work, or packing. We understand how stressful selling can be, so we make the process as smooth and hands-off as possible. Our team is fully insured and police checked, trusted by over 1,300 plus 5-star clients across Melbourne, discreet, respectful, and experienced in working in occupied and vacant homes. You're welcome to meet us at the start to walk through your priorities or leave access instructions in advance. If you're using a key lockbox, real estate office, or building manager, we're happy to coordinate. Peace of mind. We treat every home like it's our own. When you return, your property will feel brighter, fresher, and completely buyer ready without lifting a finger.